Hey guys, this is continuation part of the Python programming. In this video, we'll learn how to install a Python in our local system. So to install a Python program, guys, you will have to go on python.org website and click on download link. Once you click the download, automatically exe, msi file or dmg file according to your operating system, it will start downloading. As of now, this is the latest version, guys. Might be when you saw the video, some other version also will come. So once you click the download, here we can see all are the platform also. We can see we got the download button over here also, or we have different operating system also, we can choose it. Okay, once we download, it's simple to install, guys. Simple next, which will install, or it will set the environment variable also according to your operating system also. Environment variable is nothing. It will help to run this Python program directly in the console window. In the market, we have the number of editor. Editor means there we will write down the source code. We have the normal editor is the Notepad. Similar to that, we have the editor for different programming language also. So for Python, we have these are the editor. We can use a Jupyter also. Jupyter is the web-based interactive computing environment. Means online we need to do everything, and the result we can see directly on the web also. Another very famous is the PyCharm. PyCharm is actually provided by the IntelliJ IDEA only, that is actually the Java IDE. We have it also. We have this is actually in the community and the enterprise version also. So we can use community for the free purpose, and it provide very interactive GUI also. Another is very famous, and this is totally free also, Visual Studio Code. That is very lightweight. We can simply use it. We have the n number of extensions. Not for the Python, for any programming language, we can use it also. So VS Code is also a good one. We will use it VS Code for our future programming. So we'll use this one. Anaconda is also one of the good one also. Anaconda is a distribution of the Python for scientific computing purpose. Okay, that is also good one. Another one is IDLE. IDLE is the integrated development environment that come with the Python. So once we install the Python, this IDLE will be the come by default, and there we can write down the script. Normally, if we wanted to test something, we wanted to execute something, literal or some syntax, we can directly run it also. Another one good one is the Google Colab. So this is a cloud based. There we can go and we can create a file and we can directly run on the cloud, and we can execute it also. So we can use either of them. Either we can install at our system, that is actually we can use either this or this, or we can go with the web or the cloud. Okay, this is not recommendation. This is for small programs, so don't use it so much. This is also you can use it for scientific purpose, but right now I will suggest you guys can start with these two, either of them. So I will start with the Visual Studio. I'll show in the Visual Studio how to install and which extension you can download for the Python program. So this is the Visual Studio editor, guys. Here you can go extensions. Here you can search Python. So in the Visual Studio, this is extension, guys. You can install it. This is provided by Microsoft.com only. So once you install this extension, you can write down any program and you can simply execute it. So this button will be appeared after actually installing the extension. You can simply click on it and our program will be executed. So you guys can ready the system. So in the next video, we'll start the programming with the variables, data type, literal statement. These things we'll learn it. See you in the next video. Till the time, happy coding.